Right, so we're making a pegboard storage unit for the gym. What you need is this plywood. This plywood is, I think, 18 mil thick, and it's 2 foot across by 4 foot across. Don't know what that is in millimeters. We've got our circular drill, which is 28 mil, and the peg we got is 28 mil. What you really need to do is pre-drill a hole and stick your peg in to make sure it's going to be tight in there. Our pegs are 28 mil if you want to flash down into the peggy pegs. They're getting sanded, nice edges. So for this board, we went 10 centimeters down, 10 centimeters across, and then just drew a line. So we've got 3 here, 2 here, all the way down. This one's a little bit more than 10 centimeters from the edge, and that will be the top, so slightly thicker at the top. And what I'm doing for the second board is I've measured 10 centimeters down. So these will be, the 2 holes will be at the top, then it will be 3 holes. And then all I'm going to do for this one, rather than remeasuring this one, is get my drilly drill, put it in there, make sure all that's set. You could clamp this together, especially, and just make a little mark in each one. Okay, got some 2x4s, 1, 2, and there's the third one there, and then that's the boards mounted up on the corner with some equipment on it. Cool way of storing equipment. I've done a few little thingies here, like made this shelf, drilled out the space here, so that's just balanced, need to screw that on. And then on this one here, put little pegs to stop this sliding forward, and you can put these peg things in anywhere to stop anything sliding forward.